Hello, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. So just a not short video, but this is the what parts they're gonna change for your 30,000 service on your Saga. So here are the things. Focus, come on. So the list includes of course the normal thing for service: engine oil, oil filter, and the gasket. But then what's in the 30,000 service, which is actually considered a major service, is a spark plug, radiator coolant, and fuel filter, and labor charge, because this doesn't have the free service anymore, so labor charge is included. So we go one by one. So the normal one is the Proton genuine oil, which is this one, I believe. Why is it fully synthetic? Well, I think the first thing they gave me wrong is they gave me fully synthetic, but they charged me semi-synthetic 10W30, 5W30. So bonus, I guess. So engine oil, and your oil filter is here. I'm not going to take it out because it's still oily. Here's a clean oil filter. So this is an oil filter, if you wonder what does it look like. Next is a gasket, which I don't have because it's just a little O-ring. Next is a spark plug. So into the magical box, I think it's this one. Yep, spark plug. Spark plug VVT. So 4 of them, because it's a 4-cylinder. So the reason why they changed is because hopefully the camera can focus well. As you see, it become like corroded with carbon. So yes, I had to replace it every 30,000. And I think this is the normal one on the more expensive iridium. Next is a radiator coolant, 4 liter, which is this one. So basically they changed from a blue one from the factory to a green one. I don't know why they want to change every 30,000, but from what I know from the mechanic is because the Proton's the coolant might make the thermostat faulty or broken. I don't know, so that's what they said. I'm not sure with that. Next is the engine flush. I didn't include that because it's optional. I wanted that. So next is a fuel filter assembly. I don't know why they want to replace the fuel filter assembly. This is first for me after owning few cars that every 30,000 you need to change this. So this is your fuel filter. So like the name is basically what it filters the fuel. So I'll put it back. It's still leaking fuel. And lastly is the labor charge. So it is 120 ringgit. So here are the prices. But of course you can check it on your Proton app or the Proton website. So here's from the Proton official website. So here are the list that 30,000 kilometer that you need to change. So that's it from me. Goodbye, take care.